Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix taskbar disappeared Windows 11 Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer. You must combine the keys Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. In the menu, choose Task Manager. In the Manager, select Windows Explorer. Now click on Restart Task. Wait for the environment to be loaded again. You can validate that the taskbar is functional. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.